So I like Aadil Mushkil, so I'll try singing that. तू सफ़र मेरा है, तू ही मेरी मंजिल, तेरे बिना गुजारा है दिल है मुश्किल. My voice is a little heavy, so it doesn't sound well, but guys, I hope you ये जो आप डालोगे ये लास्ट में डालना, ताकि पब्लिक पहले पूरा सेक्शन देखे, उसके बाद मेरा गाना सुने. क्योंकि अगर आप गाना पहले डालोगे तो पब्लिक शायद से नहीं देखेगी, क्योंकि मेरी आवाज़ इतनी सुर ऊपर नीचे बहुत. What's up guys, this is Karan Jotwani and you're watching me on Pop Bollywood. Cheers.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and never miss any update from popbollywood.com.
हाय गाइस, मैं हूँ तुषाबा सैयद और आप यस यू आर वाचिंग पॉप बॉलीवुड. सो हम यहाँ पर आए हैं थोड़ा बहुत एक दिस और दैट वुड यू रैदर एक गेम है, वो खेलेंगे करण जी के साथ और आप जानेंगे आपके फेवरेट एक्टर को और भी ज़्यादा करीब से. सो लेट्स प्ले विद देम. सो बॉलीवुड और हॉलीवुड?
बॉलीवुड.
Okay, would you rather have everything on your phone right now, like browsing history, photos, etc., made public to anyone, like in your Google name, or never use cell phone again?
No, I would make it public because I'm an open book, right? So I think everyone knows what I'm up to usually, because I put Instagram stories and I make everything very public. So I think that one.
Okay, be rich and single, or find true love and be poor?
Find true love and be poor, because I think finding true love is equal and being rich also.
Okay, read a book or watch a movie?
Watch a movie.
Would you rather be an amazing artist but not be able to see any of the art you have created, or be an amazing musician and not be able to hear any of your music you create?
I think amazing artist, because even if I couldn't see anything, at least I would feel it while I perform, which makes more sense. And because once you just start, like, even if you act with your eyes shut, or even if you draw with your eyes shut, you have an idea about something that's happening inside. So if you can portray your heart forward, not good. So
okay, this one is a bit harder. Okay, work with Salman Khan or Shah Rukh Khan?
I think both are superstars. I haven't reached any platform or any particular stage for me to deserve, that I deserve a slot to work in them. Yeah, but I think that's how I am. And if tomorrow the camera also goes to go and audition for a movie which stars Salman Khan or Shah Rukh Khan, I would definitely say no right now, because I'm not confident enough there.
Phone call or text?
Text.
Facebook or Instagram?
Instagram.
New clothes or new phone?
New clothes.
More important in your partner, like what is the more important in your partner? Intelligence or funny?
Intelligence.
Okay. Would you rather teleport or read minds of people?
Read minds of people.
Would you rather give up bathing for a month or give up the internet for a month?
I would give up the internet for a month, because no one's going to have a shower here. I don't want to stink after 1 month, and I want people around me here.
Okay, would you rather always be able to see 5 minutes into the future or always be able to see 100 years into the future?
Oh, 5 minutes or 100 years into the future.
Then you can see only the 5 minutes ahead or like 100 years.
I would go the option called none. This is the option that I am adding, because I'm very uncertain about my future, and that's the beauty of life, is what I believe. So what I have is right now, and मैं देखना है 5 मिनट और 100 साल बाद नहीं देखना है, अभी जो है वो है.
Would you rather be married to a 10 with a bad personality or a 6 with an amazing person?
Or
a 6 with an amazing person?
Or have sex with an amazing.
6. Like, would you rather be married to a 10, like 10 out of 10?
Okay.
With a bad personality, or a 6 with an like amazing personality?
No, just stay single, boss. Stay single all your life.
Okay. Would you rather have amazing fast typing texting speed or be able to read really quickly fast?
Fast typing texting speed, I think. I think I'm good at that.
Would you rather know the history of every object you touch or be able to talk to anyone?
Talk to animals, for sure. Talk to animals, yeah.
Would you rather be an amazing painter or a brilliant mathematician?
I think I would love to be a brilliant mathematician, considering I failed all my life in maths. तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि यार mom will be very happy.
Would you rather never use your phone again or never use your keys again?
This is a very, very, very tricky question. But what if I've left my phone in my house? So of course keys.
Would you rather have everyone laugh at your jokes
but not find anyone else's jokes funny, or have no one laugh at your joke, but you still find other people's jokes funny?
No, the first one. What is the first one?
Like people will laugh at
People laugh my jokes and
you won't find anyone's jokes.
I find jokes. I'm a very difficult person to somebody has to not impress, but laughter doesn't come to me very naturally. Like बहुत टाइम के बाद आता है. If something's really tickled my funny bone, उसके बाद ही आता है. So people rather laugh at my jokes.
Would you rather have free Wi-Fi wherever you
Free Wi-Fi. उसके बाद I don't want to listen to उसके बाद जो भी है free Wi-Fi.
or be able to drink unlimited coffee? Let's just.
I'm not a coffee person. I'm not a coffee person. So unlimited Wi-Fi.
Tea or coffee?
Tea or milk.
Oh. Okay. Would you rather take amazing selfies with all of your other pictures, like what you click, are horrible, or take breathtaking photographs of anything but yourself?
Breathtaking photographs. I think yeah, absolutely, because क्योंकि मैं बहुत पोर्टफोलियो बना चुका हूँ मैं. अभी आइडिया है कि नेचर को कैप्चर करें. Exactly. People go, can we have a collaboration and take a picture? I'm like चलो let's go. तो यार mountains, beaches के photos लेने चाहिए हमें. Yeah.
Would you rather live on a beach or in a cabin in the woods?
Oh, cabin in the woods. Oh my god, that's the best thing ever. Come out in the green and just chill.
Okay, this is a bit controversial question. Date an actor, actress, or a director?
Actress or a director? I think what will work. I always believe in two things. Firstly, there's a chemistry between two actors that works, and then there's magic that a director and an actor can create. So I rather go with magic. So I rather be with the director.
Would you rather be forced to dance every time you hear music, or be forced to sing along to any song you hear?
Forced to sing along to any song I want. I just dance whenever I have to. No one. Huh? I do not sing well, but I can try.
Would you rather be famous but ridiculous, or be just a normal person? Like,
Be just a normal person. Absolutely. Stay humble always.
would you rather lose your best friend or all of your friends except your best friend?
Nowadays the thing is everybody has so many best friends. यार एक best friend नहीं होता 10 होते हैं. तो I rather damn, if they see me giving this interview they'll kill me.
I know that is the
But I rather keep my best friend with me and lose everyone else.
Would you rather everything you dream each night come true when you wake up, or you could never dream?
Never dream. I got insomnia, so I don't sleep. So no dreams.
Would you rather never be stuck in traffic or never get another cold?
Never be stuck in traffic, boss. Traffic is it's the worst thing ever that can happen to anybody. इसलिए मैं बाइक लेके आता हूँ काम पे और बाइक से फटफट हाईवे लेके घर पहुँचता हूँ. गाड़ी मत लेके आना अगर आप मीरा रोड साइड आ रहे हो तो हाईवे से.
Would you rather fight for a cause you believe?
Fight for a cause.
No, this is but doubt will succeed. Or fight for a cause that you partially believe in but have a high chance of succeeding.
No, fight for a cause that I doubt will succeed.
Would you rather be an unimportant character in the last movie you saw, or an unimportant character in the last movie you read?
Since I like watching a lot of movies, I couldn't say reading movies, but watching movies, of course, the movies.
Oh, that's very nice. Would you rather?
Yeah, a little.
And you were very smart and quirky and quick.
Yeah, but that's how it should be, right? So we mixed a rapid fire. I have. मेरे साथ कौन है यार competition में? Guys, I won the segment and I'm gifting myself this award, जो मैं अपने रूम में रख रहा हूँ, जो मुझे किसी ने बहुत टाइम पहले दिया था. Sorry, लेकिन अभी ये मुझे ये लोग दे रहे हैं. Thank you so much. Thank you. Pop Bollywood, you guys are amazing. Thank you.